In Tripura, polling was held today to elect a new 60-member Legislative Assembly. Polling started at 7 a.m. across 3,328 polling stations, including 1,000 sensitive and 28 marked critical and high security cover. Around 69.96% voter turnout has been recorded till 3 p.m. Barring a few minor incidents, peaceful polling is on across the state. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha and his cabinet colleagues and former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar are among the first who exercise their voting right. A total of 259 candidates, including 22 women, are in the fray. Brew voters and voters residing at the zero line of the Indo-Bangladesh border are also exercising their franchise.